No. Oh, buddy.
Go rescue him!
Oh, shit. I gotta pee. Lots. Dude, I don't have good turning radius.
Oh my gosh!
Ooh. You alright?
Alright, it's going.
Go. You gotta make.
Alright, go!
Slow yourself down at some point. Woo!
He survived. Alright, go, Shreddy!
Yeah.
Center your weight,
If you're
man.
gonna hit something, just bail.
He's wearing regular sneakers too. He has no ankle protection.
That kind of
Go
sucks.
to Kmart, get 30 bucks.
Yeah, these I got at Kmart.
30 bucks for a snowshoe.
Yeah, it's right down the street.
Dude, come on, I'm filming. Let's go.
Keep your feet up.
Did it hit you again?
Alright, you going? Alright, go. Fail. This is Shreddy eating shit. Take one.
I moved, dude. Trust me. Oh god. Let me get a little higher. David! I'm coming down, David!
Okay, so we're sledding. And I'm gonna go down with the camera on. Let's see if I survive. There's David.
I think you're gonna die.
Patrick thinks I'm gonna die. Jordan?
I think you'll do fine.
Okay,
Might lose the camera though. Let's hope not.
let's hope not.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I set it on my knees while I go down?
Hold it. Put it on your
Yeah.
wrist and hold it.
Okay.
Try to-
Successful. I fell. It went backwards. But it worked. Patrick, was it successful?
No, you're terrible. Mwah.
He's an ass. Alright, peace. Alright, so this is Pat and Fairman hitting the jump of death together on one sled.
Right.
Bravo, boys! Alright, so we've got Jordan and Furman going now. Oh my god!
He won't make it, but...
Alright, so this is Shreddy going. Let's see if he can make it.
What?
Oh!
I went in the way, man. You weren't even coming towards it. You were over here.
All right, so this is Jordan going by herself.
Oh my god! Okay.
All right, so this is Patrick coming down, and I believe Shweti may be behind him.
Well, of course, Sweaty's behind him.
And this is Patrick first. Ah! Not as bad. Is Shweti going down now?
Yeah, yours was okay.
Okay, now it's Shweti coming down.